All right. Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday, March the 21st. I have not been recording myself trading as much for a couple of different reasons. The main one being that my son is now homeschooling. So I am very busy. I was actually not paying attention to the fact that we have a ton of news today. FOMC is today. I was looking at this particular area going, man, this is ugly. So on uglier days, you do want to take a pretty quick exit. I did let my second target come back on both of these here. Do I have any more? Oh yeah, okay. So my next one, I took a break even. I did let it come back on the second target because I wanted to see if these were going to run. At the time, I did not have my live MACD dot on. So this was what I was seeing. I was seeing strength to the downside here. And I'm going, okay, well, this has the chance to push down. I was looking back here going, all right, well, it's starting to pick up the pace. But, realizing that we were coming into an area that was holding quite often, but we were trying to open up. It just really wasn't working. It wasn't following through. So I took my first target whenever it showed me signs of a slowdown, and then I put the second target to a break even. I honestly cannot even tell you what happened with this one. Obviously, I moved it down pretty quickly. I had it at a break even very, very quickly because I remember it came back and hit it, and I was like, "Whoa! I didn't even remember moving that." That's how busy I am these days. So I wanted to just grab a couple of quick trades. So it's 375. My first one was a point. Then I got a tick. Then 2 points, break even, and a tick off of 2 ticks off of this. And honestly, had I even been paying attention to the fact that it was, FOMC day, then I probably wouldn't have touched anything. I am working on myself as a trader as well. Take more trades. Typically I only take one or two trades. To take more trades, to hold my second target a little bit longer. I mean, this one was just silly. I was watching this come back and going, why am I even holding this? It's because my brain isn't on full function. But that's all right. Still paying attention and doing the right things and making sure to minimize risk and taking a first target when it tells me to. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away. I've still got, even though my program is out, I'm still doing work to perfect it. I want to make sure it's, there's always room for improvement. Whenever the market changes, there's going to be different lessons that need to be taught. So if we're flowing with the market, there's going to be a lot of things to learn about watching the flow and how to anticipate the changes and the movements whenever this happens here and this pulls away and snaps back. It can be anticipated, and you can absolutely avoid taking trades where a lot of people would take a short trade here because it's pulling back into the area. You can absolutely avoid that by watching the signs going on. But all right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I've got a lot of things to work on. I got to start getting some homeschooling material, so I'm going to be a little bit busy, but I hope y'all have a fabulous day. Watch out for FOMC because what, and really quick, let me go ahead and explain this. If you're new to trading, during FOMC, it tends to, it's weird. It used to do a lot more than it does now. What it used to do was just be slow all day, and then whenever it hits, just fly off. I mean, to what it was almost crazy. You couldn't even really manage your stops or anything like that very well because it was moving so big in one way or the other. And that's back when I was with the Russell. But, I never know what to anticipate anymore. Sometimes it has a nice big burst right around, the noon time, the 1 o'clock time when everything starts to come out. And then it just dies out. So I don't tend to trade these days. I kind of sit back and watch, and some people really enjoy that thrill, that move, and I do like it when it moves fast and gives us a lot to work with. But I also know that I need to be on absolute point if I'm going to do something like that. You can go over there and check out responsibledaytrading.com. I'm giggling at myself because I know I was ignoring signs. But I could ramble about it forever. So I'm going to stop now. So have a fabulous whatever it is for you. Make it wonderful. Believe in yourself because you can do this, guys. Come over to responsibledaytrading.com and, help you learn to flow with the market. All right, well, I'm going to wrap this up. So I'll catch y'all on the profitable side.